Hey there, struggling with your Android TV? Want smoother interactions without constantly repeating yourself? This week, I'm here to help you learn how to fix Google Assistant asking permission on Android TV. Whether you're issuing voice commands or asking for recommendations, let's streamline your experience with Google Assistant so it works seamlessly without annoying interruptions. Step 1. Check permission settings. First and foremost, let's dive into the permission settings on your Android TV. Often, the root of this persistent issue is that the necessary permissions haven't been granted to Google Assistant. Navigate to Settings on your Android TV. Scroll down and select Apps. Find and select Google Assistant from the list. Go to Permissions and ensure that all necessary permissions such as microphone and location are enabled. By making sure these permissions are properly set, Google Assistant will function more fluidly without repeatedly asking for permissions. Step 2. Update system software. Ensuring that your Android TV's system software is up to date can work wonders in fixing permission issues. Head to Settings on your Android TV. Select Device Preferences. Click on About and then select System Update. By updating your TV, you align it with the latest software enhancements and fixes, potentially resolving any bugs involved with permissions. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Often, accumulated cache and data can cause glitches with apps, including Google Assistant. Go back to Settings on your Android TV. Navigate to Apps and choose Google Assistant. Select Clear Cache first. If the issue persists, return to the same menu and choose Clear Data. This will reset the app and can resolve intermittent permission requests. Step 4. Reinstall Google Assistant. If clearing data and cache doesn't resolve the issue, try reinstalling Google Assistant. Go to the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Search for Google Assistant. Uninstall the app and then reinstall it. Reinstalling can provide a clean slate and eliminate corrupted files causing permission problems. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. As a last resort, if none of the above methods work, consider a factory reset. Warning: this will erase all your data and personalized settings. Navigate to Settings, then Device Preferences. Select Reset and confirm your choice. Resetting to factory settings can resolve complex software issues impacting permissions, allowing Google Assistant to operate as intended. And that's how you overcome the annoyance of Google Assistant endlessly asking for permissions on Android TV. By following these steps, from checking permissions and updating your system software to clearing cache data and potentially reinstalling the app, you can ensure Google Assistant runs smoothly. Remember, factory reset should only be used as a last resort due to data loss risks. Make sure to explore these fixes carefully and prioritize updates and permissions for a seamless viewing experience. With these powerful tips, you can enhance your Android TV life and enjoy the ease of command with Google Assistant. Happy watching.